Hey there, barbecue lovers! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you take your grilling game to the next level. If you're on the hunt for the perfect pellet grill to make mouth-watering meals in 2024, you're in the right spot. Whether you're a backyard barbecue enthusiast, a slow smoke master, or just looking for the easiest way to grill, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best pellet grills of 2024. From advanced temperature controls to unmatched flavor infusion, these grills are guaranteed to make your outdoor cooking unforgettable. Stay tuned as we showcase their standout features, performance, and why they're worth every penny. Plus, we've got a quick buying guide at the end to help you choose the perfect grill for your needs. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's get grilling. Number 1. Weber SmokeFire EX4. A unique blend of features that cater to both novice and experienced grillers. The SmokeFire EX4 boasts a robust build with a porcelain enamel finish that ensures durability and longevity. Its sleek design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, with a large cooking area that accommodates various foods. One of the 4 standout features is its expansive temperature range, from 200°F to 600°F, allowing for versatile cooking methods. From smoking to searing, the precision temperature control is managed via Weber's proprietary app, ensuring consistent results every time. Weber's flavor bars are engineered to catch drippings and create smoke, enhancing the flavor of your food. The EX4 takes this a step further with its smoke enhancement system, which ensures an even distribution of smoke across the cooking surface. The pellet hopper has a generous capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills. Additionally, the X4 features an efficient ash and grease management system that simplifies cleanup and maintenance. With Weber Connect, the X4 becomes a smart grill. This integrated technology provides real-time grill status updates and step-by-step grilling assistance through the app, making it easier to achieve perfect grilling results. In practice, the SmokeFire EX4 delivers on its promises. It heats up quickly and maintains its temperature. Effectively, the even heat distribution ensures that food is cooked uniformly, while the smoke infusion adds depth to the flavor profile. The Weber SmokeFire EX4 is a top-tier pellet grill that combines traditional grilling techniques with modern technology. Its robust build quality, versatile temperature range, flavor-enhancing features, and smart technology make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate the grilling experience. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. Number 2. Traeger Grills Ironwood 885. A premium wood pellet grill that offers a blend of advanced technology and robust construction for an unparalleled outdoor cooking experience. One of the Ironwood 885's most notable features is its Wi-Fi technology, which allows you to control the grill from anywhere using the Traeger app. This feature provides convenience and precision, enabling you to adjust temperatures, set timers, and access a vast library of recipes at your fingertips. The D2 Direct drivetrain is the powerhouse behind the Ironwood 885, ensuring reliable startups and precise temperature control. It's designed to heat up quickly and produce consistent smoke for that perfect wood-fired flavor. With the integrated pellet sensor, you'll never run out of fuel. Unexpectedly, it alerts you when pellet levels are low, so you can refill in time and keep your grilling session uninterrupted. The Ironwood 885 boasts double-side wall insulation that improves temperature, consistency, and efficiency even in colder climates. Its sturdy construction with all-terrain wheels means it's built to last and ready for any backyard adventure beyond grilling. The Ironwood 885 excels in smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and BBQing. Thanks to its versatile temperature range, the Super Smoke mode adds an extra burst of smoke to infuse your food with a deeper wood-fired flavor. From its intuitive controls to its easy-to-clean features like the porcelain grill grates and the pellet cleanout chute, the Ironwood 885 is designed for both novice grillers and seasoned pitmasters. In conclusion, the Traeger Grill Ironwood 885 is more than just a grill. It's a comprehensive cooking system that caters to all your outdoor culinary needs. For anyone serious about grilling, to check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 3. PitBoss PB440D2. A versatile outdoor cooking solution that has garnered attention for its robust features and reliable performance. The PitBoss boasts a sturdy construction with a porcelain-coated steel body, ensuring durability and longevity. Its sleek mahogany finish not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also provides an extra layer of protection against the elements. Equipped with an innovative flame broiler, this grill allows for direct and indirect heat cooking, offering versatility whether you're grilling, smoking, searing or baking. The 465 square inches of cooking space is ample for family meals, and the porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure even heat distribution and easy cleaning with a digital control board and an LED readout. Maintaining the desired cooking temperature is straightforward. The grill range of 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit allows for a variety of cooking styles, and the fan-forced convection cooking eliminates the need for a rotisserie. The grill includes a side shelf with tool hooks for additional prep, space and convenience. The solid bottom shelf provides storage for pellets or grilling accessories. Additionally, the grill features 2 large wheels for easy mobility. Users have noted that the grill operates efficiently, consuming fewer wood pellets compared to other models, while still delivering consistent heat and flavor. The overall design is user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned grillers. The PitBoss PB440D2 wood pellet grill stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking a multifunctional outdoor cooker. Its combination of robust build quality, efficient performance, and user-friendly features make it a worthy investment for any barbecue enthusiast. Number 4. Z-Grills 700D6. This pellet grill stands out as a versatile and user-friendly option for both novice and experienced grill enthusiasts. It boasts an impressive 8-in-1 cooking capability, allowing users to grill, bake, smoke, sear, roast, barbecue, braise, or char grill with ease. The temperature range of 180°F to 450°F supports a variety of cooking styles. Design-wise, the grill features a robust powder-coated steel body, which not only looks sleek but also contributes to its durability. The cooking grates are a step above standard steel wire grates, offering better heat retention and distribution without the added cost of cast iron. One of the key characteristics of this model is its 20-pound capacity pellet hopper, which ensures consistent fueling for long smoking sessions. While some may argue that there's little difference between some of the cooking methods touted by Z-Grills, the versatility it offers is still commendable overall. The Z-Grills 700D6 is a worthy consideration for those seeking a multifunctional pellet grill that balances high-end features with cost-saving measures. Whether you're looking to achieve perfect sear marks on a steak or smoke a brisket low and slow, this grill is up to the task. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Number 5. Camp Chef DLX. This Wi-Fi pellet grill represents a significant upgrade over its predecessors, offering a suite of features that cater to both novice and experienced grill masters. At the heart of this grill is the Gen 3 Wi-Fi controller, which boasts a low-glare digital display and PID technology. This advanced controller ensures precise temperature regulation within ±5°F, providing consistent cooking conditions for perfect results every time. One of the standout features of the DLX Gen 3 is its dual probe ports, allowing you to monitor the internal temperature of 2 different meats simultaneously. This is particularly useful for large gatherings where multiple dishes are being prepared. Additionally, the fan-only mode is a welcome addition for enthusiasts of cold smoking, expanding the versatility of this grill beyond traditional barbecuing. The integration with the Camp Chef Connect app is another highlight, enabling you to control and monitor your grill remotely. Whether you're prepping sides in the kitchen or mingling with guests, you can adjust settings and check temperatures right from your smartphone. Overall, the Camp Chef DLX Gen 3 pellet grill is a robust and intelligent cooking solution that simplifies the grilling process without compromising on quality or flavor. Whether you're smoking brisket low and slow or searing steaks at high temperatures, this grill adapts to your needs with ease, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about their outdoor cooking game. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.